cordless vacuum cleaner from the company Powerffy. I think that's what that is, whatever a Powerffy is. And this has a digital display screen. It's got powerful suction. It's an adjustable tube, and it's long running time. And you know what? I've already had this thing out and used it, so I know it works well. And I'm just going to do a quick unboxing for y'all here. You open it up, you get a little set of instructions there. It came just like this, but all of these were individually wrapped in like plastic, and I took them all out of the plastic and already got rid of that. And I'm just going to kind of like lay everything out. Actually, what I'll do is just lay everything out here, get rid of the box, and then we'll go over what all you get with this thing. So you get the unit itself, and there's the top, there's the bottom, and you get the battery, and it looks to be a 2200 milliamp battery, and it kind of goes on similar to what you would do with like a power tool. It just kind of like slides in there and just locks into place like that, and it has a little switch right there for taking it off. Actually, the unit looks really nice. I like the looks of this unit. You get the extendable tube right here, and I think that tube goes in just like that, and that's what you do with that. And then when you want to extend it, it's that button right there, and it's a very high quality. That's like anodized aluminum right there. So very nice on that. And already, believe it or not, it's pretty much put together. You get the kind of the rotating head, and then what they've done with this, they put brushes, and it's different size brushes on there too. I do like that. And those do rotate while it's going. So we'll go ahead and put that on there now, and I'll just show you how that works. That's it. It's actually ready. But let me show you what else. You get a hanger for hanging it on the wall. So there's a wall hanger. You get this little charger cord. There's two ways of using this cord. You can use that cord by using it into the wall hanger, or you could plug it directly into the battery right there. So it can go either way on that. You get a couple little filters. They give you some spare filters. I didn't use those. A crack and crevice, and all of these fit on this right here. So check that out, just like that. This is like a couch, so that's used for couch or car or something like that. A little cleaner, and that little hook right there, what that little hook does is if you got hair, it just runs along there and it cleans the hair off of the brushes right there. You can take this out and clean it, but you know what? I use a pair of scissors or something like that and just like pull down it right there. And that's pretty much it. That's everything you get with it. Now let me show you how this thing works. Try the best I can right here. I'm going to show you. When you pull the trigger, it's going to go ahead. It starts rotating these. You can see those are rotating, and you see how it says 46. That's the battery percentage, and this is the max. And I really like this system. It just goes like that. That's low, that's high. And there's a one trigger pull, so it's one trigger pull. Now it does reset back to low. So this right here will work either on hardwood floors or carpet. I'll put that to the test here in a minute. And then I won't use all the attachments on here. Basically, if I show you it working on hardwood floors and the carpet, that's what I'm going to be using on for 99% of the time. And to empty this thing, what you're going to do is push that button down, and it just pops out like that. And this thing will come out if you twist it. And that's where you put the extra filter in and that they gave you. So if you need to change these filters out or clean this filter, it basically comes out just like that. Pretty simple. You know, all the vacuums are pretty much the same. It's just like however they want to do them. And then to go back in, it just kind of like locks into place. You have to kind of fiddle with it a little bit, but you'll get it back in there eventually. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's put this thing to the test and peel that off. Get rid of that. Let's put this thing to the test and see how well it sucks, or if it doesn't suck. So yeah, let's try it now. It's coffee grounds. You know, coffee grounds are always a good indication of how something's going to work. Let's do a little bit of that. You know what? I like wasting my coffee anyway. So there's the coffee grounds. Let's see how well this thing will work on some coffee grounds. Turn it on, turn it up. On hardwood floors. Well, that worked pretty good. Well, I got it on the first swipe. I like that. How about something a little finer? Let's try some ground, what is this, ground ginger? Oh man, that's just like flour. Wow, this worked really well on a hardwood floor. Let's take it over to a carpet and try it on the carpet. Turn it on. I don't run it on the minimal. I pretty much run it on the maximum anyway. Let's try that. Wow, it has a nice pull to it. I like that back pull. You can see what it's doing in there, that little cyclone right there. Now let's go ahead, let's turn it off. You see everything that's in there. That worked pretty good right there. I like that. So there's a couple ways of doing this. You could take this to the garbage can and empty it, or you could take this off just like that. Pretty simple, and then you could put the easy attachments on there. Then you could put that off like that. See how that whole unit comes off? So you take that unit off, and then you just open it up. Let's see what all's in here. There you go. There's all of our stuff that we got out of there. Look at that little pile of rubbish right there. So that worked great. That goes back on there like that. It can turn on like that apparently. And then this locks in. See how there's a little trigger right there? Just like that. And goes in there like that. And there's that on that. So now that I emptied it out there, let me show you how you can change out these. So let's put that down. So I could go directly to this right here. See how that locks into place? Now I have like a crack and crevice type thing for my car. And that's super light. That's very easy to handle. I like that. Put that one on there. And you see how there's two attachments here, and then that slides down. Gives you a little brush attachment there. And then this one right here. Those can all go on there like that. Or you could put them on the extendable arm if you want to. So yeah, this is one of the better vacuum cleaners I've actually used for a very affordable price. So yeah, that's all I got, everybody, on the Powerffy cordless vac with attachments. See y'all in the next video.